Morning, morning, morning. Hello, there's Škodas everywhere. There's one in front of me. There's one just over my shoulder. There's one just over that shoulder. It's a Škoda nut stay. We love it. We have got a VRS just behind me. I'll lead in. Meteor Grey, nice cheeky one. One of our fantastic subscribers to the channel and to the Škoda Owners Forum. Is he a lot? There he is.
Hello.
Mr. Steve, getting in there.
Good morning.
He's got a brew on because he's a proper Yorkshire fella. So he's got a brew on. We're going to fix his DSG. He's got the error leaving park. If you're on a forum, you know. That's all I need to say. We're going to fit the Microswitch that's going to fix this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to film it, but I'm not going to talk through it. We'll speed through it so I can talk to Steve as well. It's the first time I'm meeting Steve. She's ace, love it. So we'll speed through the repair while I'm talking to Steve. Be some nice chilled out music. And then we'll come and talk to you at the end, see what you think. So catch you in a minute. I will put a part number on it. Hold on, find it. I don't know if you can see that, but the part number will be in the description below, and this is what we're fitting today. So this totally bypasses the Microswitch in the gearbox or gear lever, and this is going to make this annoying beeping error go away. So this is all it is. Little bit of a loop switch. So I'm going to shut up now, play some cool music while we rip apart Steve's box. That box, not that box. And fix it. So enjoy. Right, so we're in now. So the switch I showed you at the beginning of the video is now all bolted in. So this is a touch different to the Volkswagen one I did, where you've seen, I think it's three screws on the top. Now this one, if I can get the camera in there, I will. It's just under here. There's a screw. Now that's the screw that holds it to the gear lever. So now we're all secure. So there's two types. As Steve's found out, it was a bit of a nightmare finding his part number. If your car has the yellow tab, this here, which is a release lever for the DSG, then this video applies to you. If it doesn't, and it has a white cover over the top, then the other video applies to you, which I will put the link down in the description, just in case, because there's two types. There's one, I can't pronounce the name of it, it's Kerberg or something, that makes the gear lever, and then this one's a ZF. This one's a ZF gear lever, and that's the difference. It's either got this yellow handle or it hasn't. And obviously the Microswitch mounts differently. So I'm going to carry on now fitting Steve's car back together. We've got some handy dandy Velcro pads here. These come on the switch already, so we can secure everything down, stop it rattling, and then put it back together, and jobs are good. And so Steve's going to test this on the way home. I'm not going to say where he lives, but he's got a bit of a road test to make sure it's all right, but I'm 100% confident. A lot of forums have sort of spoke about it. It's a bit of a taboo issue and all this. This is you seeing me, a dealership technician for Škoda and Volkswagen, doing the actual repair in front of you. So there's no smoke and mirrors, there's no black magic, nothing like that. Nuts, bolts, and a new part. And obviously a very happy subscriber. A very happy subscriber. Loving life. So we'll carry on filming. Get my hairy knee there as well. Look at that. We'll carry on filming. There's not a lot left to do. We'll give it a test. We'll give it a basic set. There is a basic setting procedure for this. It's detailed, but I'm just going to do the basic setting procedure is quite long-winded, but what I'm going to do is that long-winded process in half the time. So, carry on watching. See, more Škodas. Škodas are everywhere. They're breeding. Apart from that, that's an Honda. Don't worry about him. Anyway, hopefully this video's helped, and it's going to help a lot of you guys out there as well. If you're not quite sure of what this Microswitch is or does, there it is. There's two versions. This was a Škoda version. I'll link in the description below the Volkswagen version. There's only two. Can't get it wrong. This part is very readily available from either your dealership, TPS, or if you're far abroad, just drop us a message and I will definitely help you source one. There will be a part number down below as well for this gearbox, or this lever, which is a ZF lever. So we've got a very happy Steve, which will pop on the camera in a second. We've got a very happy VRS. Very happy Rob. So I filmed it. I'm obviously going to do some editing, do some trickery. Not really. No bullshit here, guys. It is what it is. And we've got another fixed car. So this is Steve. Look. He's in again.
Hello, hi.
So, a very happy Steve.
Very happy, thank you very much. Much appreciated, Rob.
So, camera's not his favourite.
It isn't now.
So, anyway, we've got a happy Steve. He's done lots of asking around, lots of gearbox specialists, lots of research. Come to nothing really. Like I say, forums can be quite confusing. They can be quite sort of productive. They can be also be counterproductive. Sometimes you just don't know what to do, where to turn, anything like that. So Steve is obviously a subscriber. He's also on the lives that I do on a Sunday night here on YouTube, Facebook, and the Škoda Owners Forum, which is where the car obviously spends most of its life, on the Škoda Forum. And we've been able to help him out today. So he reached out to me. We talk anyway. Reached out to me saying, I'm well confused here. What's going on? I've heard loads of different stories of this, and this. Do I need a gearbox? Do I need a gear lever? Do I need to get a new car? None of them. We sorted it with a Microswitch. That's it, guys. The cheapest repair possible, and it is a legitimate repair as well. There's nothing dodgy, nothing going on here that shouldn't be going on. Legitimate repair, legitimate part numbers, and you are backed by the 2-year guarantee from Volkswagen themselves on this part for any kind of failure. 2-year guarantee. All the links down in the description. But for now, guys, thank you very much for coming along. Steve's got a bit of a journey. Look, he's daydreaming now. Look at that. Proper daydream. Anyway, take care, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Much love.